This video will review how to create Tee Time's online schedule on Jonas Club Management. Please note that this feature is only available to those who have Jonas Tee Time Reservations that integrate with ClubHouse Online only. First, navigate to Tee Time Management, Files, Golf Courses to set this up. Use this program to determine how many days in advance to open up online schedules for reservations accepted for a golf course. Select the applicable club code and golf course that you'd like to edit, or you can select Set up a new golf course to create a new golf course. Once you're on the screen, select the Online Schedules button on the right-hand side. To create a new online schedule, press Enter on your keyboard to create the next line number. If you want to view, change, or delete a schedule, enter the line number or select the magnifying glass to bring up the F2 lookup list. Provide a description for the online schedule. Then you can set the online schedule under the T-sheet restrictions section. First, select the desired days to determine if a T-sheet restriction should be applied. Holidays are determined through the setups made in Administration, define statutory holidays. Once you've selected a date to set the online schedules, you can then enter the number of days in advance you would like to make the T-sheets available online. You may enter a value of up to 999 days, beginning at the specified time. Under the Calendar Restrictions section, if the restrictions in effect is not selected, this schedule will be used all the time. However, you can select the restrictions in effect to restrict the use of this schedule for the T-sheet to specific periods of the year. This will enable the 3 restriction ranges. Select Restriction 1 to enable the first date range. Select the month and enter the date. If more than one range is required, enter the required data in order. The T-sheet will look to see if the date is within the ranges defined, and if so, use these parameters. All other times will use the golf course default. Note that the ranges entered must not cross years. For example, you cannot enter a range that would start in December and go through to March. To accomplish that, you would require 2 ranges, one from December 1st to December 31st, and then one from January 1st to March 31st. Once everything is set up, select OK to save. It is recommended to run a Tee Time sync in ClubHouse Online to have the changes reflected on the website. To do this, you will need an administrator account for ClubHouse Online. From the dashboard, navigate to Company Management, Company Synchronization. The Tee Time sync should be at the bottom right of the page. Ensure that the Tee Time sync is selected, then select the Start button. Also note that the online schedules are stamped on the T-sheets when they're opened, so only the sheets that are opened after the modification will respect the new schedule. If you would like to update the T-sheets that are already opened, please contact our web support team at websupport@jonasclub.com. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.